Using Zelle to transfer money between banks is a fast and convenient way to send funds to friends, family, or yourself. To get started, you will need to check if your bank or credit union is a Zelle partner, as this service is typically offered through mobile banking apps or online banking platforms. First, enroll in Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website by providing the required information, such as your email address or mobile phone number, and linking your bank account. You may need to verify your identity and account information to complete the enrollment process. Once you are enrolled, you can add recipients by entering their email address or mobile phone number and the name of the recipient. Make sure to verify the recipient's information to avoid sending money to the wrong person. To send money, log into your bank's mobile app or website, navigate to the Zelle section, and select the Send Money option. Enter the amount you want to send, choose the recipient, and add an optional memo to describe the transaction. Review the transaction details, then confirm and authorize the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification when the money is sent, and the funds will typically be available in their account within minutes. Keep in mind that Zelle transactions are usually irrevocable, so it is essential to verify the recipient's information before sending money. As a best practice, only use Zelle to send money to people you trust, and never send money to strangers or for unfamiliar transactions. Also, be aware that some transactions may be subject to daily or monthly limits, and certain fees may apply, depending on your bank's policies. To receive money, the recipient simply needs to enroll in Zelle and link their bank account. When someone sends them money, they will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited into their account. If the recipient is not enrolled in Zelle, they will need to enroll and link their account within 14 days to receive the money. In summary, using Zelle to transfer money between banks is a convenient and fast way to send funds. By enrolling in Zelle, adding recipients, and following the send money process, you can easily transfer money to friends, family, or yourself. Always verify the recipient's information, and be aware of any potential fees or limits to ensure a smooth and secure transaction.